नाल्ल हें ट्रॉपिकल क्रॉप जाका इक्विटेबल क्लायमेट जाय पडटा. नाल्ल जावपा खातीर 22 ते 32 टेम्परेचर लागता आनी गोंयांत ह्याच रेंजीत टेम्परेचर आसा. ICARचो सायंटिस्ट बाप्पा दास उलयलो.
Coconut is a tropical crop. That means it requires equatable climate. So it requires a mean temperature of 27 degrees Celsius plus minus 5. Means around 22 to 32 degrees Celsius. That is the temperature range which is optimum for coconut production. So if we see the temperature now in Goa, so it is ranging in between that. Means around mean temperature is around 25 or 26 degrees Celsius. So generally it is good for coconut production, and the climate of Goa is generally good for coconut cultivation. Actually what we have observed in Goa that farmers are not applying any nutrient, okay, or water management practices. So generally we are having very good rainfall during monsoon period, more than 3000 millimeter, but after that there is no rainfall. So if we come to March or April, there will be acute water stress in coconut, and coconut generally produces one bunch per month. So every month it will be producing one bunch, and this one bunch means one inflorescence to nut development. It requires around 11 months. So if you are not giving irrigation during after monsoon period, then there will be reduction in yield. So it is always advisable to go for irrigation. And as the rainfall in this region is very high during June, July, August, September, that is more than 3000 millimeter, we can go for water harvesting, and that water can be used for irrigating the crop during post-monsoon season. And if we use some efficient irrigation management practices like drip irrigation or sprinkler irrigation, that will be much better, and that will lead to increasing nut productivity and coconut yield. Also, what I have observed that farmers are not generally applying any fertilizer or organics to the coconut plant. So if they are following soil test based fertilizer application or integrated nutrient management, at least 25% of nitrogen if it is applied to the coconut crop, that will significantly increase the yield.
प्रुडंटा खातीर शिरीष कुंकळकार.